I'm Ryan.
And I'm Cade.
We're from Best Quilt Sew Knit Products, the exclusive manufacturer of Acorn products.
If you're having trouble with your Acorn Easy E-Sprayer, this is the right video for you, as we are here to help.
In today's video, we're going to be going over some common problems that you may be facing while using your Acorn Easy E-Sprayer.
Let's get right into it.
Before using your Acorn Easy E-Sprayer for the first time, you will need to charge it. Open the charging port on the top, back of the E-Sprayer and plug it into an outlet. The light will be red while charging and will turn green once it is fully charged. Now that your light is green, it is fully charged and ready to use. Insert the gravity ball and tube into the bottle base filled with Easy Press fabric treatment and securely fasten the sprayer head to the bottle base. The Acorn logo will appear on the side of the bottle, like this. If your fabric treatment is not coming out of the sprayer, try adjusting the outer nozzle by turning it, and press the column toggle button. Next, make sure the gravity ball is all the way connected to the hose. Make sure the hose is fully connected to the intake valve on the top as well. There are 2 intake valves. Be sure your hose is connected to the outermost valve. If your sprayer is making a sputtering noise, there may be an air pocket caught inside. Remove the spray head to release the air pocket and then replace the bottle base, ensuring it is tight with the Acorn logo on the side.
If the nozzle seems blocked, immediately turn off the sprayer. Remove the outer nozzle by loosening it all the way. Inside there is an inner nozzle. Pull this out, run some warm water over it and clear it with a pin. Dry both pieces and reassemble with the inner nozzle first, and then reattach the outer nozzle by turning.
Just a reminder, there is a risk of activating the on-off button during transportation. For this reason, we recommend transporting the Acorn Easy E-Sprayer empty or disassembled. Please do not activate the Acorn Easy E-Sprayer while it is empty at risk of harming the motors.
We also recommend occasionally filling your Acorn Easy E-Sprayer up with water and activating the on-off button to clear the unit, especially after long periods of non-use.
Thank you for watching. If you need any more assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us at acornmakers@bqskproducts.com.
Happy piecing!